to remove the gray dot or assistive touch feature on your iPhone. So you're probably wondering, how did this gray dot get here that I can tap on and it brings up a few settings? This is called Assistive Touch. So in order to remove that, you need to go to your Settings app. So just search for your Settings app or go into your settings on your iPhone. And you want to go down to where you see Accessibility. So just tap into Accessibility right there underneath General. And then you want to scroll down to where you see the section Physical and Motor. And you want to tap into the option at the top there that says Touch. Tap into Touch. And then at the very top or towards the top, you'll see an option that says Assistive Touch. Just tap on that guy there and then go ahead and disable by unchecking Assistive Touch. Now, remember, if you ever want to get this back, you can just tap it again, turn it over to green, enable that feature. And not only that, you can see that you can customize the different options. So basically, with like a double tap of that, you can open up a different menu like the action button or your home tab or whatever it may be. So if you are dealing with someone who has a hard time or their hands shake, Assistive Touch might be a great feature, but for a lot of us, it's just annoying to have that gray dot on your screen. So that's it. That's how you disable it. You just uncheck Assistive Touch, go back to your home screen, and you'll no longer see the gray dot on your home screen. Hopefully this helped. If it did, like, share, and subscribe.